So, I've been hearing some strange noises outside now for a bit. I'll open the window, show you. It's really strange. Listen. I don't know what it is, but it's starting to freak me out a bit. I don't like it. It's been happening every kind of 10 minutes, half an hour. But there it is again. I don't know what it is, but there's been some strange cloud formations. I don't know if that's got anything to do with it, but it's freaking me out. I've heard about these noises from other places, but never thought I'd hear it in Bristol. Never thought I'd hear it in Bristol. So, I don't know what it is. I don't know what it is. There it is again. Ugh.